this delivery box last month. Like, it's like a kid in a candy store, or a 7th grade on Christmas morning, or a 16-year-old on her birthday, or that moment you turned 21 and you got to go into the grocery store and buy your first bottle of beer. I have that level of excitement when I get a StitchFix box. So if you would like to see what I got this month, then just keep watching. Y'all, the FedEx man literally just handed me my box. Like, I got something on my finger. I have been tracking this box for days. Like, it's the most exciting thing. So if you're new to my channel or you have not watched my last month's unboxing, StitchFix is a clothing delivery service. It's a monthly subscription. They don't just do clothes though. They now have bras, panties, they have jewelry, shoes, and you fill out this questionnaire that kind of lets your stylist know your style, your groove. And then your stylist personally creates your box for you every single month. And you can set some parameters. You can tell them, I don't want jeans this month, or I don't want sweaters. Or you can kind of give them a budget if you, if you don't want expensive items and you know that's something that you're not going to keep. So it's really cool. It is very personalized. You get some personalized things in here like notes and cards, which I will show you in case you missed it on last month's unboxing. So when you first unbox it, you get this priority mail envelope. And what this is for is you're charged $20 a month for the service. The items you keep, you pay for. The items you don't want to keep, you send back in this postage paid priority mail envelope. Last month I kept everything. I'm going to try not to do that this month, but we'll see. Now we got our little envelope of goodies. It says, your stylist thought these would look great on you. I was watching another YouTuber's unboxing, and they had a shirt that I loved. So I put in my request, I requested no jeans, and I put the name of that shirt, and I said, if possible, could I get this particular shirt? So we'll see if I got jeans and if I got that shirt. So it says, oh, hello. And then you get this little card which gives you ideas of how to style the pieces that you got, what to wear them with, etc., etc. This is just a card advertising that they now have panties and bras, which I had already saw on the app. And this is the price sheet. So they're very clear on how much each item costs. And if you keep everything in the box, you get a 25% discount. Plus, I know this is a lot of information. The $20 that you paid, if you keep your items, that is credited towards those items. So let's say your box is worth $100, okay? If I keep everything, I get 25% off. So that takes it down to $75. And then they take away the $20 styling fee that you've already paid, which would take it down to $55. Does that make sense? Okay. All right. Let's see what I got. First, I got this little bag, which I'm guessing is shoes. They're so cute. I'm telling you, I can't get over how your stylist gets you. Like, it is amazing. Okay. These are the shoes, and they are freaking adorable. I love these. Okay, so these shoes are the Lily Perforated Booty. These are $89. All right. I can already tell you, I'm keeping them. All right. You guys can see what I have. I can't see it. I'm telling you, it's really like Christmas. Okay, we're going to set it back over here. First we have this gray top. It's a baggy top. Someone did request in my last video that I try the items on. I don't really have a full length body mirror or anything to do that with. But I promise before my next unboxing, I will get that mirror and try them on for you. Kind of tight at the sleeve, at the arms, but loose everywhere else. So this is the shirt that I requested. Hold on, let's go back to the card. Greetings, Autumn. This is your lucky day. I was so excited when I read your note and was able to find you the Jolie Reed French terry knit top you requested. This is the shirt I wanted. Retails for $36. She goes on to say, I hope you love it as much as you did when you saw it in the video. Rock it with the jeans and jacket from your last fix for a great casual night out. This was the shirt I requested. I am so excited. Oh, I can't tell. I don't like this. No. This is not me. Oh, that's so disappointing. Dang it. Alright. Hawthorne. This is $48. I'll have to send this back because this is not my style. I cannot see me wearing it. So on this, they have it paired with a dress skirt or dress slacks. And I do dress up for my job, but I work from home most of the time, so I'm in a lot more casual wear than dressing up. So that will go back. This is the next one. What we got going on here? Oh, this is cute. It's a little off the shoulder. I love it. Very romantic. I could see me doing a YouTube video in it. Okay, this is Clarnella Cold Shoulder Top. $44. Probably going to keep that. I like that. Ooh, we got a big sweater. It's a cardigan. $88. I like this. It's long. It's very heavy. But it's also getting close to spring. $88. I was really hoping for some jewelry too. She did include the workwear option, which was the white and black that you saw, which I did say that I did work in a business, in a corporate environment. This is cute. I just don't know how much wear I will get out of it, because it's very heavy with it being so close to spring. So I will try it on, but I think unless some of these pieces that I try on are just like, oh my god, I need that in my life, I think I'm going to keep the shoes, the ruffle cold shoulder print top, and the knit top, which would bring my total to, I gotta do math, Okay, so here, I love StitchFix, but this is where they kind of get you. If I kept my 3 items, it would come to $169 minus the $20 that I've already paid, which would bring my total to $149. If I kept the $88 sweater and the Hawthorne shirt, all of these items would be discounted for $25. Or 25%, which means I would pay $208.75. So it's the difference of $149 or $208.75. So essentially $58 I'm paying for 2 items that actually total over $100. So you save money if you keep all the items. So I don't know. I don't know what I'll do. Damn it, man. I don't think, I know for a fact that's not true. I could wear that black and white shirt. I have a black blazer that I wear to work a lot. So, I mean, I could get use out of everything. This is what you do. You rationalize keeping everything. But you know, next time, and they didn't send jeans, which I asked them not to send jeans, and they didn't send, and they did send the shirt that I requested. So that is so cool. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I just love this box. This is my favorite subscription delivery service box, what have you. So what am I going to do? I'm sending the shirt and the sweater back. I'm 99% sure. I'm going to try the sweater on, unless it's just like, wow, I love this so much. If I keep the sweater, I'll keep the black and white shirt. But if I send the sweater back, I'm sending back the black and white shirt. There we go. The next time, I will have a full-length mirror or a vlogging camera, something so that I can videotape some try-ons for you. I just don't have the means to do it just yet. All right, that was my Stitch Fix. It's like my favorite day every month. I've gotten to where I don't even order clothes online because I'm like, well, let's just wait and see what I get on the Stitch Fix. So actually, it saves me money. How's that for some rationalizing? All right, until next time, my loves.